And the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And also, guys, the notification bell so you can join us live and get the latest updates. So, today we'll be talking about Doge. So, let's see. So, Doge chart dailies. Basically, Dogecoin has falling towards support in recent weeks and saw a large jump before it could reach the area. It trades in what technical traders call the sideways channel. The crypto trades below the 50-day moving average, which is the green, and the 200-day moving average, which is the blue, indicating recent sentiment in the crypto that it is bearish. Each of the moving averages may act as resistance in the future. The 0.45 cents level acted as a resistance in the past and may again if the crypto can reach this area once again. Dogecoin has been holding above 15 cents in the area and a place where it's able to find support multiple times in the past. Now, the RSI Relative Strength Index saw a bounce after reaching the border of the oversold area. The RSI has moved higher since now it sits at 40. This means there are still more selling pressure than buying pressure, although more buyers have been moving into the crypto. So, what's next for Dogecoin? Bullish traders are looking to see Dogecoin bounce and start to form higher lows. Higher lows are a good sign that a bullish trend may be starting. Bulls would like to see the stock break above 45 cents level and hold this area as support before it continues to push higher. In the second news, Elon Musk. Let me get that. So Elon Musk actually tweeted, which I covered yesterday, that in order to make transactions and purchases like movie tickets, it is important to lower Dogecoin fees. So Musk's comment was made on Twitter in the wake of AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. CEO Adam Aaron conducting a poll on the same social network on whether the cinema chain should accept the meme cryptocurrency. The Tesla CEO said in response to a tweet by Doge co-founder Billy Marcus that it was super important for transaction fees to decline. So, Red Swan, let me move up. So, Red Swan CRE accept Dogecoin, two multi-family properties investment vehicles. Red Swan CRE, a tokenization platform focused on leading commercial real estate sector, is now accepting Dogecoin as one of its payment options for investment in a two multi-family property. What happened? The properties are Lake House, a 270-unit luxury multi-family development located on Lake Merritt near downtown Oakland, California, and the 251-unit Apollo Apartments in Seattle suburbs of Edmonds, Washington. Accredited investors will be able to use Dogecoin to purchase fractional ownerships in the building, which can later be traded like stocks, said the company on its website. This will be the first time a major real estate asset will be available to a specific crypto community. Investments in the properties begin at $1,000 each, and the company is also accepting US dollars and stablecoins pegged to the dollar in addition to Dogecoin. 3 news, all about the Doge.
All
So,
about the Dodge. So good news on the way, I think.
yeah, still
So
price
how
target is
about
$1. Do let us know in the comment section below if you are a fan of Dogecoin, backed by two
and if
billionaires.
yeah, so if it's hit $1, good for us. We have also a good holding of Dodge.
Yes, not financial advice, of course. Just sharing that we are also owners of Dogecoin, and because we support Elon Musk and we support Mark Cuban in them also seeing Dogecoin as the currency of the world. So with that,
The
Manish, that's all I
problem here
have in the
is,
news.
yeah, in this the problem what we have it is whether any fees, a transaction fee will be involved. So that part need to be improved.
Yeah, and that's
Uh,
why he's saying to lower that because If AMC takes it, movie goers that's going to the movies can use Dogecoin to pay. So it has to be cheaper than buying
Hmm.
using cash.
Cheaper, yeah, buying using the cash. There should be some kind of promotion offers, then only this makes sense also. And there shouldn't be any transaction fee. Yeah, or
Yeah,
okay, so
exactly.
let me share that. Let me share my screen also.
So join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Yeah. So, guys, we are going to reveal some important information about these three swapping platform which are in Binance. So, yeah. So these three swapping platforms, we have found some issues here, and it's not only us. Many other people also facing the similar kind of issues. We have seen multiple videos from the influencers about these three sites. First one is a pancake swap. Second one is a ape swap, and third one is a bakery swap. All these tokens are good and doing good because they are they are swapping DeFi platforms. So their tokens are also doing good. If you see, Pancake is currently the current price value is $17.89, and AppSwap it's around $2.35 if I'm not wrong. And then this bakery is also somewhere near to that. Guys, in these three swapping platform, what we have noticed it's even our personal experience which we are sharing you. When you go, you buy their native coins and put for staking. After some point of time, there is a rug pull is happening. There some people will come and they steal your money. This happened couple of times to us. We find out all the exact addresses. We are going to come up with a proper videos with wallet address and other informations. And with the same address, many other people also been hacked. So it's just we are sharing an experience. If you have a similar kind of experience, do comment us. Please drop us an email. The more people will voice out, it will be good for people, and they will not get hacked, or their money they will not lose it. So it's better to voice out and come to these kind of platforms and expose them who are doing it. We are coming up with the proper videos where we are going to reveal all the information: what's the amount being hacked, what is the address, and whether that address is also used for other hacking. All these details we are going to capture and we are going to show you guys. So the first incident happened with the pancake swap, where we have put for pooling. So pooling, how we are doing it, I think I have explained you a couple of times in our previous videos, where we have bought pancake, means cake token, and using that tokens we have uh, put that amount in the pooling. I think it's something slow, the website. Okay, let it launch first. Yeah. So once you connect it, go to earn and then click on pool. So you can see the offerings from pooling is really very fancy. It's very attractive. When you see this APY is almost around 100%, people will be very tempted to invest their money in this. And when they invest their money, after a couple of days or week, they will see that it's real cake. We are able to bake it, and it's coming to your wallet. You will be more greedy and you start putting more money here. That's then only the problem starts at some point of time. You see, mostly in the off hours, off peak hours, they connect your wallet, take out the money, and you can only see the information that contract executions has happened in your wallet, and there'll be a time, And if you further investigate, go to Binance Smart Chain network, and you find out there is a address which is trying to access your money, convert into BNB, and pull out the entire amount. This happened to us in Pancake Swap. Second time happened to App Swap, and App Swap was not a huge money; it was very less, but still, money is money. Thought to share with you guys. We are going to expose that MF soon, and we are going to also give his address, his wallet address, and every the other details. So when we started doing a research about this Pancake, this App Swap, and the Bakery Swap, all these three platforms has this similar kind of issues where many people been rug pull, and only they are targeting to a people who do a farming or the pool. Because if you buy a token keeping you in your wallet or exchange, nothing is happening. Only when you do a pooling or farming, this issues happen. And one thing which I have noticed, when you do a pooling, when you buy any token like App Swap or Pancake, when you buy it, it will directly come to your wallet. The moment you put it in a pool, it means you are taking your entire tokens and putting in this DeFi swap platforms. So they have your token, and based on that token they are giving you some kind of APR or APY or yield. They are giving you, and you are getting some benefit, but that is not going to last for a long time. Even after a week or two, you will see that the money is hacked. Just be aware, and do share with us if you encounter such similar kind of issues, because if the more voice will come, will be our voice will be even stronger. So that's all I have it for today, and we are going to come up with a proper video with all the explanations, all the details, all the evidences in that videos. Yeah,
Yeah,
over to you
thanks,
again.
Manish, for sharing that. If you are currently doing pooling, I think for today, maybe it's good to actually transfer it to an exchange, sell off the coins, do staking on the exchange. I think those things are safe as of now. I think most of these swapping platforms are a duplicate, and it's a suspicion that this could be an insider job. So they are actually exploiting and taking money when you put the money on this kind of platforms connected to your wallet. So um, be prepared. This Sunday we will be sharing more details, and we will be sharing all the wallets that they stole the money from to the FBI, the SEC, and the CIA. So these are things that we can do our part as a community, and just let us know if you need any help or direction. And be careful, don't go to their customer support asking them to for help.
Very important thing.
Yeah, because
Hmm.
the people that will help you is the same group of people that will scam themselves, and then they become scammers themselves to get money out. So do take note on that.
and and also be aware of the Telegram groups. The moment you will share your problems, somebody from that group will start DM you separately, and they ask your past receipts, other informations, and it'll be even the situation will be even worse.
Right.
So it's
Better to keep
better.
it in the
Yeah.
exchange. It's covered by insurance. We've seen a lot of times like Binance and good companies like Coinbase, Huobi, basically the top 10
Mm,
exchanges. They are pretty much safe,
yeah.
and if anything get hacked, it's something that they want to protect their reputation. So if it does, they will definitely pay you, give you back. DeFi
And
space
you can
also.
check out our previous videos. I think we have covered about the top 10 exchanges with the Forbes list. We
Yeah,
have also given a rating. So I
yeah.
think we will put it in our I button.
Yeah, we will put it there. We also I shared what are things to look out when choosing a good exchange. Top 10 things.
Mm.
So let's see what's happening on the market today. Very crazy, good time. We are still in on the fear side of things. We are between 27 to 33. Yesterday was lower. Today slightly a bit of high until the whales again comes in to knock off the people who believe that this will be it's over, we hit the rock bottom and we are going up. So typically what the whales does is two things, right? One is they can increase the price by pumping in money, giving the following up on the narrative, because they know what's happening in the news, what medias are being paid for to promote the bull. So when they start to pump in, everybody jumps on. And when everybody jumps on believing that, okay, the bear is over, the bulls is coming, they start to pull out. And when they pull out, everything drops, and then what you left with is back holders. That's one strategy that the whales do. The second strategy that the whales do is they will maybe get 10 people, and 10 people will put in a put option, meaning they expect the price of Bitcoin to go down, and the particular whale that has the biggest wallet, he starts to dump. And when he dumps that, the other 10 makes that money from the other people, and actually maybe they go broke and they actually pass him back the money. Of course, I can't prove any of these, but if you understand the mechanics of the options market, the future markets, how leverage is actually done, both in the bulls as well as the bears, it's a game that it's called manipulation, which is actually a crime in the traditional markets, but not so far in crypto. And that's why you got to always be prepared for that. I mean, we still believe in the blockchain technology. We still buy the coins when it's lower. We are not affected by greed, neither are we affected by fear. So play with money that you have. So that's the only advice we can give you. So stock market, we had a slight kind of a fear that came in for a while due to the China real estate that was supposed to be bigger than the 2008, if I'm not mistaken, where we had Michael Burry who predicted the bubble burst, and the banks that actually falter on their debts. So these are things that sometimes the news can steer fear in the stock market. And then what we saw was a transfer of wealth a bit that came into the crypto space, and moving some of the coins up. So now it's back down again, as you can see later when I show you. We are at 41,000 today.
Yeah.
It's a bloodbath.
Look at the bloodbath.
Yeah, so again, when I see this, I'm quite happy because it just tells me that it's cheaper now to also buy using Bollinger, using EMA, using moving averages as certain indicators, the MACD, RSI, VWAP, so some of the technical parameters that you can learn online and see how that correlates to as signals in order to steer your decisions based on the technicals rather than the news, as well as assumptions. So Bitcoin, of course, taking 50%, about 20% Ethereum, followed by Cardano. Now we are growing in terms of cryptos, 12,000 cryptos, 400 over exchanges. Market cap has dipped to 1.8 trillion. This is not the lowest. We have seen the dry season at 1.4 trillion. Myself and Manish covered that for nearly 3 months before we saw a run up to 2.2, and it comes in less than a few days. So this is nothing. 50%, 60% drop in the markets is nothing. It just means that I'm continuing doing dollar cost average on coins that we like, because when it runs up, it's going to multiply exponentially. So top 3 coins: Cardano, X Hunter, Bonus Cake. Last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down by 5.65, Ethereum is down by 8.66, Cardano is down by 1.81, USDT is up by 0.04, BNB is down by 9.15, XRP down by 7.67, Solana is down by 8.98, USDC is up by 0.05, and Polkadot in 9th place down by 6.18, and Doge down by 8.07. And I think Avalanche is actually moving up to maybe remove Doge from the 10th place. So hopefully Doge makes a comeback. Maybe Elon Musk, if you are watching this, Mark Cuban, do something about this, guys. This meme fun coin, let it be the crypto of the world. So
And also hit the like button
yeah, give us a
if they
like
are
button
watching.
and comment. Elon, if you're watching this, we are your fans, a real good supporter of yours.
Yeah.
Although we did buy Stop Elon, I apologize for that. But we made money from that, and
And
so yeah. So hi Lawrence, welcome to the channel. So
yeah, looks like China flag.
Bitcoin, of course, still price prediction is 100,000, Ethereum 10,000, Cardano 3 to 5, USDT seems to be doing okay, but they can potentially cause the black swan if there's an audit for them, because most of the fiat currency converts to USDT before it moves into pairing to the crypto. More research has to be done about USDT. BNB coins, of course, $1,000 in the next 6 months. XRP has a potential to hit $20. That means 20x if they win the lawsuit. And right now it's at 90 cents. So this is something that you have to keep eyes on people in the industries like Anderson, some of the billionaires, because there is a financial cartel. This cartel actually controls the crypto space, and they are investing heavily in a few coins, and those coins, even in the even in the bear market, those coins are still performing. And I think XRP, there's a few coins we will be revealing where are these billionaires putting their money, because that will give you an indicator of the club that they are in. And people who are not in this club, like Binance, they get kind of out of this circle, and they get scrutinized with policies and what have you. So these are things that is political in the space, and you need to know who are these major players. So we have the Russians, we have the US, we have the Chinese, and for us as retailers, we can't do much in terms of this game, because there's always influence on both the banks as well as also influence on the institutions that try to put policies in place. So of course, do your own research. Again, this is not financial advice, or I'm getting into some political advice here, but it's just more for you to be aware of things that is happening, so that you can make a decisive information on your investment. Solana 200 to 250, Dogecoin $1. Polkadot, it is anticipated to hit close to $85 for Polkadot, so that's about 3x your money there. A few other coins that is up and coming: Avalanche, Luna. We have Chainlink, undervalued. I've covered that, so do check that out. Litecoin, of course, has been around. Another avenue is Cosmo for Atom, and this is a very powerful coin, guys. If you pay attention to this, and I'm making a statement today, FTT or FTX token will be covered by root zones. It is currently trading at 52, and I'll tell you who are the major players in this space. So be prepared to see this skyrocket very soon. Bitcoin, right now you can see really nice red candle hitting down. Great volume of the bears coming in, dumping the coins. Support is at 40,000 per coin. Will it break the 40,000 mark? I can't say at this point of time. We just have to see how this candle plays out in the next few days through the weekend. And today, Friday, is actually the expiration, if I got my dates right. And so after this, let's see whether things start to move for the crypto space. Of course, hodl is the name of the game. If you are buying Bitcoin to hold at least 50% of your portfolio, as what Michael Saylor always said, that this is the Manhattan land. After 2040 and few more halvings that will happen, we won't have any more Bitcoin. And one day, maybe in your rocking chair, when you look back, you know that you have made one of the best decisions to buy the new digital gold of the 21st century. So blockchain, of course, recovery, we have been climbing up, a slight dip, here and there, but that's fine. We are still on the uptrend. We have to come back again to 180 hashing power, and that's something that we always keep eyes on. The wallet activities, again, we see growth. So we have new people coming in, putting money, because this entire game is all about money. It's about pouring in money. So anytime crypto space times two, from 2 trillion to 4 trillion, your altcoins actually have an exponential of 10x. So whatever coins we are buying, we are still very small, still the early adopters. So I'm not too worried. I'm just putting in my money. It gets me more than what the traditional markets can do. And if Wall Street is hearing this, so do something about it. Give back to the retail investors, where we can make monthly instead of yearly. So that's all I have today, Manish.
Yep. All
China
right, guys.
considers,
So today's
yeah. So I
yeah,
think, sorry, I'll just open up the channel. So I think
some
Lawrence
questions. Yeah.
is saying that China considers all crypto transactions illegal now. Yeah. So that's what they do, but they can't stop. I think because of the blockchain technology, they can't control. It's just that people find ways to move their money out of the country, like they always have, and they can open up businesses anywhere in the world and transfer money there under the pretext of capital capex, and use that to to run and expand the organization. So
I'm not sure what they are up to. A couple of months back, they have blocked the entire blockchain thing, and now they're all transactions. They are mentioning that it's legal now.
yeah, I think China just basically wants to have just one direction. Control mechanisms are in place. They have a plan in terms of digitalization, like the CBDC. They have one token.
Yeah.
And just have that all tied to a digital profile to influence behavior. So you get good credits over time, and you can live in almost like SimCity. So
Yeah.
quite sad. That's why we are happy to be born in Singapore, and staying here in Singapore, being economic freedom, not tax on any capital appreciation. So that's something that we do as a small island to attract money, because we don't have the resources, mostly human capital as well as financial capital coming into Southeast Asia, and Asians have been so far doing well as compared to the West. So thanks, Lawrence, for sharing that.
Thanks, Clarence. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's all we have, guys. Tomorrow we'll see
Yep.
you same time,
So, guys,
same
today
channel.
is Wayne's birthday, and he has to rush out for his family's waiting. And guys, wish him luck and wish Root Zone's luck, and do comments if you have any further questions.
Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same channel. Thanks for joining us,
Take care,
Manish.
guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Thanks, Lawrence. See
Bye.
you.